I won't say the same
No
shit.
cussing, Robert.
Yeah.
Is it barely coming in?
We're a stalemate.
Stalemate?
Just let me see the spool.
Stalemate.
Stalemate. And it's that big.
That might be a real big fish.
Yeah, Shaun's guide service found the big one again.
We came in 1 foot.
Yeah, we'll just see if Robert can handle it.
You know, sometimes it takes a while, Robert, to just be
No,
patient.
I'm patient. At least I'm not going to kill it when I bring it in.
Still taking line? You got you have an angry one on.
If it starts head shaking, just reel as fast as you can.
I know all about you.
You know about angry? You got an angry fish.
Yeah, I got more than that.
And if your arm starts to hurt, you can pass it.
Sorry, Jake.
Yeah, I got it.
No, yeah, good job. Now hold him again. Hold him on the belly again.
But I don't want to lose him.
Yeah. 15.5 pounds.
Yeah, I got it.
No, yeah, good job. Now hold him again. Hold him on the belly again.
But I don't want to lose him.
Yeah. 15.5 pounds.